60 Seconds Traffic Pro Review. Website traffic. Everybody wants to be financially independent, but the majority lack practical knowledge on how to. How to make money online in 2022 is a golden concept in this 21st century many are benefiting from, although the majority are still ignorant about. Making money online and traffic is two inseparable concepts. A lot of online affiliate marketers are not making money online due to their inability to drive adequate traffic. In this video 60 Seconds Traffic Pro review, I am recommending an amazing app called 60 Seconds Traffic Pro. It's one of the best AdSense alternatives. 60 Seconds Traffic Pro is a patent-pending app that sends up to 150 plus free leads and buyers to any affiliate link in 60 seconds, popping over and over again. It is the first ever patent-pending free traffic app and a new traffic source. It delivers thousands of free leads and buyers to any affiliate offers or promotions and works in any niche. 60 Seconds Traffic Pro is fast, free, and 100% newbie-friendly. It is one of the best Google Adsense alternatives. I have included the official website to get 60 Seconds Traffic Pro on the first link in the description of this video. There are dozens of free traffic out there, but 60 Seconds Traffic Pro is estimated to have the highest conversion rate. Subscribe to this channel, Smart Software TV. Share, like, and comment. In this place, we are the best of the best.